application, first of all, you require HTML. Okay. HTML is very easy, very interesting. Okay. It is very, very easy. Within a 1 day also you can complete HTML possible. Okay. Here, no logic, nothing. No error, no logic, no exception, nothing. It is very easy to learn, very easy to develop application. So in the software, so many courses are there. As compared to all other courses, easiest subject, HTML. Okay, that much easy. See, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This JavaScript is a language. There you need to put efforts. But learning HTML, learning CSS, it is very simple. Okay. So HTML, CSS, these two you can learn very quickly and you can understand very easily. That much easy. But JavaScript, nothing but not so easy. You need to put efforts. Even if you have a Java knowledge also, .NET knowledge also, Python knowledge also, you need to put efforts to understand JavaScript. Okay. See, this course is a part of these many courses. So here, Java students also, they'll attend this class. .NET students also will attend. Python students also will attend. Even mean stack, MER, RN stack, these people also. UI technologies, UX design. So there are so many courses requires HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So many courses. These are all for web applications. Now here about web application, about internet, you should know everything. It is important because you are going to build internet applications. Now here about internet, you should know very depth about internet. All are using internet, but they don't know about internet. Okay. How to use, how to operate internet application, everyone knows. Not only you, your family members also operating internet, no? Not only you, your family members also operating internet. Okay. But they are not learning these courses, but they are operating. You ask them, what is computer? You ask them, they don't know. What is internet? You ask them, they don't know. But they are doing online shopping. They are doing online shopping, no? They are sending mail also. They are receiving mails also. And they are doing chatting also. They are using Facebook also. They are using Instagram also. They are using WhatsApp also. Telegram channel also. Online shopping, online results, online application, all they are operating. But you ask them, what is computer? They don't know. What is internet? You ask them, they don't know. But they are operating internet. But other people, it is not required. But you are learning software courses in Ameripet. You must know. What is internet? You know, you should know. How it works also, you should know. And even you are typing http://www.google.com. What is that? In that address bar you are writing. We are calling like a URL. URL also you should know. URI also, URN also. Difference between URL, URI, URN also. But whatever people are typing in address bar, every line they are calling URL only. But there is some difference. URL is there, URN is there, URI is there. And you are typing HTTP. What is HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Only full form. That is. Okay. Everyone using internet, but they don't know about that internal depth. But you are learning courses. You must know. You should know. Okay. HTTP full form, HTML full form, CSS full form. Full forms everyone knows. Okay. That is happening. But not only full form. Not only full form. What HTTP will do, also you should know. What is the role of HTTP in internet application? You should know. You are typing www. What is www? That is full form. Okay. The www. That is everyone full form only they knows. Okay. But you are learning courses, full stack Java, full stack .NET, full stack Python, full stack web development, UI technologies, UX design, UI design. So many courses you are learning in Ameripet. Okay. For all what purpose? To develop internet applications. To develop internet applications only you are learning. Okay. Now, those who joined for full stack Java, then Java especially made for internet application. That is you are going to learn. Full stack .NET. .NET people also will build internet application. Python people also will build internet application. Like this, all are for internet related courses only. These all are internet related courses only. Okay. That's what you should know about internet very depth. You should know about internet very depth because you are learning courses. See, here not only full form, you should know about internet very depth. Here, if you want to develop internet application, any internet application that requires first one HTML. Okay. Now you are learning Java. Suppose you are learning full stack Java. But with Java also, instead of HTML, you can use Java. Possible. You are using .NET. Instead of HTML, you can use Java. .NET. Possible. But as compared to these all, HTML very simple. That's what HTML popular. And you can write like a HTML program style only. You can write in Java also, .NET also, Python also. But at least 2 lines required in HTML. Otherwise, not possible. Even if you use Java also, if you use .NET also, Python courses also, you can develop user interface. After that, again you have to embed in HTML only. Without HTML, internet application is not possible. Okay. It requires HTML. At least 2 lines required. To embed this application in HTML. But instead of these all, we are going for HTML. Reason, very easy. If you design graphical user interfaces in internet application, HTML, very simple. Suppose on text box, if you want to create one line notes, one line only code, input type equal to text box created. But that is you create in Java, minimum 10-20 lines. .NET, minimum 10-20 lines. Python, 10-20 lines. That's what they are not using Java, .NET, Python, these all for graphical user interface designing at web application. But Java, .NET, Python, these all server side will use. Okay. Now, first of all, you should know about this complete course information. You should know about this. But what I am saying, without HTML, internet application is not possible, I am saying. Okay. But without Java, possible or not possible? Alternative, many are there. But HTML alternative not there. HTML only you have to use. Compulsory. Okay. So here Java people, actually here it is full stack. The word always full stack is there, no? Here full stack web development includes front end development, back end development. Front end purpose this course, back end purpose Java, .NET, Python, like that will be there. Okay. That information I'll provide. See, these all courses, full stack is there. First, what exactly full stack? See, full stack web development includes both front end and back end web development. Now, I'll give notes. Just listen, class. I'll give notes. I'll give time for writing everything. First, listen, class. See, don't worry about notes. I'll give notes. I'll share in Google Classroom also. I'll give running notes also. I'll give so many examples also. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript integrations also. Very interesting applications also. I'll show you. Suppose on small example you observe. On small example, very interesting. HTML, CSS, JavaScript is very interesting and no need to put efforts also. Easy, very easy. That much easy. Suppose one small example, just I'll show you. Here already is there. Suppose this program you observe. This is HTML, CSS, JavaScript all mixed. This one program. Okay. 74 lines is there. That program just I'll execute here. You observe. See, it is one full-fledged HTML, CSS, JavaScript application. Like this, you can design more attractive graphical user interfaces. This code, if you see today class, it is confusion appears. If you see, but after learning, it is nothing. It is nothing. Very simple. Now, present you observe this login form. This login form, very attractive, we can design. More than this also you can design. That much easy. See, if you see this program today only, how it appears, you observe. Lots of confusion will be there. See, this is CSS code. It is CSS, cascading style sheet. It is HTML. It is JavaScript. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all are combined. If you see this today only, if you see what will happen, it is confusion, very difficult appears. It is nothing. Very simple. Very simple. Not like a Java, not like a .NET, not like a Python. Very quickly can learn. Very quickly can develop applications. And very easiest programming language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is presentation language actually. JavaScript is language, programming language. Okay. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, if you know, this type of graphical user interfaces in a web application, more attractive also you can design. And the user can interact, responsive forms also you can design. That type possible. This type of applications, n number of you can build. If you see this code first class only, very difficult appears. If you see first class only. But after learning, more than this you can design. More than this. It is very interesting. Okay. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, online students, end of the session I'll clarify your doubts. End of the session I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. Listen the class. End of the session I'll clarify your doubts. Every day I'll give a time, end of the session. Okay. If you have any doubt, end of the session, you can write in chat box. I'll clarify your doubts. See, this type of graphical user interfaces in a internet applications, we can build, we can design. More attractive, we can design. More than this, we can design. More than this. Okay. Here, it is very easy. Only first of all, learning style important. Learning style. Any course, learning style only major role acts to get a subject. Okay. Learning style only most important. See, first what I'll do is, I'll teach HTML. Okay. I'll teach HTML. With HTML only I'll cover. After completion of HTML, I'll start CSS. Then what I'll do is HTML, CSS I'll combine. HTML and CSS I'll combine. After a few days, after CSS, I'll add JavaScript. Then HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all I'll mix. Then you will get a more attractive like this. This type of applications we can build. Okay. It is very interesting, very easy. No need to put efforts also. No need to put efforts. This type, more than this you can develop. More than this. Okay. Only learning style important. Learning style. But learning style, if it is proper way not there, HTML also becomes hard. If learning style is not proper way. Okay. Then this is also becomes difficult. Learning style, if you know properly, it is nothing. Okay. See, already given many examples in Java classes. Okay. In my Java classes, many examples are given. If the person knows how to learn, very quickly can learn, very quickly can develop application, you will get a subject. The person doesn't know how to learn. Morning to night, if you work hard also, wasted. See, one person daily 1 hour only will spend. He'll get a subject. One person morning to night, he'll work hard, but he'll not get a subject. Reason? He doesn't know how to learn. But learning, but he doesn't know how to learn. Then learning time also waste. Okay. If the person knows how to learn, very quickly can learn. Very quickly. And very quickly can develop application part also. Okay. But Java, .NET, Python, you have to put efforts. Those are not so easy. Okay. People will think Python easy. Python also not easy if you don't put efforts. Okay. Java, .NET, Python, these all not easy. You need to put more efforts. But this one, if you practice just 15 minutes also enough, that much easy. This HTML, CS, JavaScript. Okay. Because already you are learning other courses. With that knowledge, it is nothing appears with that knowledge. Okay. Now, here, what exactly this course? I'll explain. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. Listen the class. I'll give a running notes. I'll share notes in PDF files in a Google Classroom. That is also I'll cover. In a short period, good subject, I'll show you. Okay. No need to worry about subject. No need to worry about duration. No need to worry about notes. I am not a fresher. I have a 20 years experience. Okay. Already my Java student, they know about me. Okay. See, these all, everything I'll take care. No need to worry about course. No need to worry about subject. No need to worry about duration. No need to worry about notes. Everything I'll take care. But only thing, you have to listen. Okay. You have to listen. Listening is most important. If listening is missed, attending class is wasted. You try to learn HTML yourself. How many days you take? Try to learn. It will take more time. But with tutor, if you learn, very quickly comes. Very quickly. Easiest subject also, if you try to learn yourself, it will take more time. 1 month also it will take if you learn. But with tutor, HTML, 1 week enough. Possible. The learning style, major role acts. JavaScript, it takes time. I'll accept. JavaScript, you need to put efforts also. These two only very easy. JavaScript not easy. JavaScript like a Java, like a .NET, like a Python. It is language. Now, starting JavaScript object based. But now it is object oriented. Just like a Java. Just like a .NET. Just like a Python. That type. So, JavaScript, you need to put efforts. But HTML, CSS, no need to put efforts. Okay. Very quickly you can learn. Very easy to learn. Now, here, HTML, what I'll do is, every day, how I'm going to teach. My teaching style I'll explain. HTML, what will be there in the entire HTML? Only tags, attributes. That's it. Only tags and attributes. For every tag, some attributes will be there. Very regular usage attributes, if you know, you can create. On layout, you can create. For that, if you want to apply more designing, CSS. Just properties are there. Properties, some thousands of properties are there. CSS properties. All no need to learn. Okay. Very regular usage properties. How to use, if you know, you can design. It is nothing. How to use. Property selection is important. HTML forms are important. CSS property selections are important. Selectors are there. CSS selectors. That part, HTML forms, if you know, you can design. Only at the time you need to put efforts. Just 1 class, 2 class. If you put efforts, you can do it. Okay. But remaining all, nothing. But while learning JavaScript, you need to put efforts. But not like a Java, not like a .NET. In that, just 30-40% efforts, if you put, it is easy. That much easy. See, but Java, .NET, Python, not so easy. You need to put more efforts. You have to work hard, practice. Lots of practice required. That's what, still what I'm saying, you are attending HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but parallelly you concentrate more efforts, you put it for other courses only. Java, .NET, Python, those who are attending other classes. That is only put efforts, more time for that one only spend. Okay. It is interesting. But if you spend more time for this, no use. Okay. You spend more time for Java, .NET, Python. That is only. But it is compulsory required. It is required. Okay. HTML, CSS, if you want to develop project, it is compulsory. Otherwise, not possible. Okay. Now, here, first full stack. Full stack meaning front side, back side. Both you can develop. That is full stack. Full stack web development includes both front end and back end web development. Full stack web development includes both front end and back end web development. One example I'll show you. One example. See what exactly front end, what exactly back end, these all you should know. See, one example I'll take. Suppose client server communication application. This is this you will learn in advanced Java class and .NET class, Python class. You'll learn this type of applications. Okay. It is just you observe. It is online results application. Online results. Okay. Today class, just listen. Just listen. I'll give notes, everything I'll give. Just listen. Now you observe. For example, just one small question I'll ask. Give me answer. Your answer right or wrong, whatever it may be. Just try to respond. Okay. In internet, it is home page. Here, mail hyperlink. Mail hyperlink, chart hyperlink, games hyperlink, sports hyperlink. So many hyperlinks are there. When you click, this page opened. Here, username, password, submit button. Like this, username, password, submit button. Here, when you click, here, mails are displayed, inbox. Now, one question I'll ask, your answer right or wrong, whatever it may be. Try to respond. Okay. Now, this type of pages, already you have seen, no? Your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, USA.NET Mail, so many mails applications are there, no? Like this. Now, this is one page. This is one page. This is one more page. 3 pages. My question, carefully listen and give answer. All are using internet, no? Already told, not only you, your family members also using. Okay. Your father, mother, brother, sister, all people are using internet, no? Kids also operating internet. First class student also operating internet. See, what he will do? Rhymes book will open. Rhyme title, they'll search in YouTube. They'll play rhyme. First class student also playing rhyme in a YouTube channel. It's happening, no? What is actually what is internet? They don't know. What is computer? They don't know. They are operating internet. Now everyone knows. That will leave it. Now my question: this page, where it runs, this page where it runs in browser or server, client or server. This page where it runs, first page, browser or server. You observe multiple answers coming, no? But all are using internet, no? Now, browser or server? How many people answer browser? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students? Only 50 members. Okay. Now, How many people answer server? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students. Okay. Online student, they won't respond. That will be happen. No. Now, okay. Majority people, what they given? Browser. Few people given server. While giving a answer also, their hand is like this. Majority people hand is like this. That means not confident. The person is like this. Fan is there. Okay. See, if you raise the, if hand is like this, you are confident. Your hand is like this, like this, like this means not confident. That shows confidence level. Okay. See, and even while giving an answer, your voice is louder means you are confident in subject. If you are not confident, beside person also cannot understand your answer. That will be happen. Even in interview also, if you know, voice comes louder. If you don't know what you are giving answer, interviewer cannot understand. That will be happen. That shows confidence level. But sometimes confidence level also important. With the confidence level also you may get a job. Chances are there. Suppose interviewer not satisfied with all people, but there is a requirement. Whoever confident, for them they'll give a chance. What they'll think is, if I give a chance, he can learn, he can improve, he can do it. Like that they'll think. That's what, with the confidence level also, you may get a job. That's what, giving answer with confidently it is better. Okay. Next. Second page. Second page, this page. Will it run in browser or server? Browser or server? How many people answer server? Okay. Majority people server. Online students? Now. How many people answer browser? Very few people browser. No. Okay. Here, majority what they given here? Here, browser. Here, majority what they given? Server. Here, this one browser or server? How many people answer server? Okay. So majority people server. Online students, see server. Seeing your answers, what I understood is you guessed some answers matched, some answers not matched. So you guessed some answers matched, some answers not matched. Here, actually, this answer, it is browser. Okay. This one is browser. But majority wrong, no? Their browser you selected, here server you selected. That means their guessed matched, here not matched. If you have a knowledge, both will match. If you have a knowledge, both will match. One is matched, one is not matched means guessed. That's it. Now, this is server. Okay. See, here it is become as wrong. So what you given browser, right. Here server, wrong. Here server, right. But what you did, just guessed, two answers matched, one answer not matched. If you have a knowledge, all will match. That is the reason 3 I have taken. If I take only 2, maybe 2 matched. Then I cannot understand what is your status. That is the reason 3 examples I have taken. Okay. Actually, directly I can ask this question. No need of this one actually. But why? What purpose I asked is to check your status only asked. Okay. Now. But answers can be right or wrong. Try to respond online students also. But online students, what will happen? Not only this question. If I ask whether listening or not listening also, they won't respond. You observe. How many people are listening? Just raise your hand. How many people are listening class? Just raise your hand. You observe 485 members are there, no? 485 will not come. You observe. How many people are listening? Just raise your hand. Not offline, online. See, 486 students are there. The number you observe. 300 also not reached. 300 also not reached. See, I didn't ask HTML question, Java question. I asked only listening or not listening. You observe. See, 270 also not reached. This is. Here, offline means what will happen? You are not listening means I can observe, I can give a warning. But offline, online, that is their responsibility. I'm not responsible. Okay. Offline means I can observe. If you are not listening, I can give a warning. But online, that is their responsibility. See. See. Here. I'll explain. That is, whether it is running in browser or server, it is compulsory required. It is compulsory. Okay, suppose you are learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you are learning. But HTML where it runs, you should know. HTML where it runs, CSS where it runs, JavaScript where it runs, you should know. Now, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, where we are applying in real-time applications, that information you should know. It is compulsory. See, observe, if you open any website, if you open here, now Google, now you observe, right click, view page source. That is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That complete code you can see. It is running in browser. That is the reason we can see. See, it is complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Your doubt is, this is complete plain is there. Why that much code required? Your doubt. Here, if you click, here how many options are there? That purpose code required, no? That is a code. Here, for you, it doesn't appear. Nothing is there appears. Nothing is there. Why this much HTML, CSS, JavaScript code required? You will get a doubt. You take another chair. See, HTML, this is complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript code only. We can see. HTML code we can copy. With CSS, JavaScript, all we can see. Can you see Java code, .NET code, Python code? No. Okay. But HTML, CSS, JavaScript, complete you can see. Any website you can open, right click, view page source. You can see that code. But if you see this code, very difficult appears, no? After learning it is nothing. Okay. After learning it is nothing. That is proper alignment is not there. That's what difficult appears. Proper alignment is there. Say this type is there. You can understand. This type alignment is there. You can understand. Okay. Now here, first, what exactly this course we observe? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, what exactly in real time? I'm explaining. Full stack web development includes both front-end and back-end web development. Front side web application development, back side web application development. What is web application also I'll teach. What is web application? What is internet application? How many types of web application? Whether it is running in browser or server. For that, I have to explain. Half an hour lecture is there. Now, whatever I asked question, no? Browser, server I asked, no? For that also half an hour lecture is there. After teaching, if I open any website, any page, whether it is running in browser or server, you can give answer. Otherwise, what will happen? Some are matched, some are not matched. That will be happen. Okay. Now that is only happened. After teaching, I'll ask again. That is tomorrow class I'll teach. Then I'll ask. At that time, every question you can give answer. It 100% will match after learning. Now I'll explain that one. That is tomorrow class I'll explain. Present, you observe. These all courses, any course, what you are going to do? You are going to develop web application. You are going to develop web application. That web application development, two parts. front, back. Here, in this application, you observe, this is, it is complete front-end application development. This is back-end and front-end concepts mixed. Now, here it is just one general example, online results. It is online results application. This already you have seen many times in a BTech results, MCA results, this type of program you study, no? You have seen, okay? Now, here what you will do, first of all, you will type one URL in address bar. You will type one URL in address bar. Then your request passed to server system. Then this program comes to your system. After getting, you will type one hall ticket number. When you click on submit button, this program will receive hall ticket number. This program will communicate with database. Here it will check the given hall ticket number is there or not. If it is there, this data loaded into this page. Then this page is transferred to browser. That is happening in real time. Now you observe this program. This is one program, but data not present in that program. If data present in that program, every hall ticket number one page required. But actually a total how many pages? Only 2 pages. Only 2 pages are there. But where is data? Database. That is one software. Now I have to explain what is client, what is server, what is database, everything I'll cover. Because what is client also people they don't know. What is server also they don't know. What is database also people they don't know. It's happening. Client and server also people are thinking like a computers. Client and servers are not computers. Say for example, in your college lab or our institute lab, hundreds of systems will be there in lab. Okay. All computers connected together. One separate room will be there. In that room also one computer will be there. They'll put it on sticker, server room. Seeing that what the student will understand, that computer server, these computer clients. Seeing that like that are understanding. Actually, client and servers are not computers. Client and servers are softwares. All softwares in a one system possible. Client, server, database, all. What is client you should know, what is server you should know, what is database you should know, what is HTTP you should know, what is www also you should know, what is URL you should know, what is domain also you should know, what is port number you should know, what is URL, what is URN, what is URI. About internet, complete information required. Because you are going to develop internet application. Every terminology I'll explain. Okay. Everyone knows full forms only, but what internally that will do, they don't know. How internet works, how mail application works, how ATM machine works, you should know. Because you are learning internet application. Okay. Now, here actually what is happening, you observe in this application, data present in database. Data present in database. Whenever hall ticket number comes, then this program communicates with database. It will check in the database, given hall ticket number is there or not. If it is there, that the complete data loaded into that page, then that page transferred to browser. Then you can see the data. So this is happening. Actually, there are only 2 pages. This is one page, this is one page. Only 2 pages. But data present in database. If suppose this data present in this program only means that page only for one hall ticket number. But one more hall ticket number, one more page. One more hall ticket number, one more page. Then how many pages are required? If 10,000 hall ticket numbers are there, then 10,000 pages required. So here, this is one program, this is one program. Only 2 programs. Only 2 programs, online results. This program. Data present in database. Whenever hall ticket number comes, communicates with database to get the data. After getting the data, passed that application output passed to browser. This is happening. This is happening here. Now, in this example, you observe here. If you want to design like this, if you want to design like this, here, enter hall ticket number. It's one label. It is one text field. It is one submit button. Like this, if you want to design, first of all, we require HTML, hypertext markup language. With that hypertext markup language, we can design like that. We can design. Okay. After designing, if you want to design more, this only layout. If you want to design more attractive, then we require CSS. Because nowadays, that attractive page also important. If attractive is not there, website may be outdated. Website may be outdated because of attraction. Attraction also important. Okay. So designing also nowadays first priority they are giving. Suppose for example, you want HTML, tutorial. You want HTML tutorial. What you will do? You'll open Google. HTML tutorial, you'll type. So many websites comes. First link you'll click. It is normal plain text is there. They won't like. Second page, second link. If more attractive, more graphics is there, then you'll like. That you'll continue. Even content is not good also. People are seeing the attractive only first. Some websites content is very good, but designing not there. That is outdated. People, they won't like. Attractive first important. That is happening. So attractive also important in real time. Attractive also important. More attractive you have to design. Even server side, back end, n number of applications you write, if you take care also, front end is not good, it will be outdated. See, that application also, it should be user friendly. Everyone should be able to operate. Suppose some examples you say, you take Flipkart, Amazon, websites you observe, but not only Flipkart, Amazon, so many online shopping sites are there, no? But Amazon, Flipkart, you observe, very user friendly as compared to other shopping sites. Some shopping sites, all people cannot operate. Difficult appears. That type of shopping site, what will happen? Outdated. People won't prefer. If it is difficult to operate, it will be outdated. So more attractive you have to design, more user friendly you have to design. That's what HTML, CSS also important in real time. Okay. So HTML, if you want to design this type of layout, HTML. Later, more attractive if you want to design CSS. Like that required. After that, why JavaScript? You observe. Suppose your hall ticket numbers are, digits are there. Suppose by mistake, you enter ABC. By mistake. Actually, in the database, ABC hall ticket number is there? No. Here, first format is wrong. Suppose 1001, 1002, 1003. 3 hall ticket numbers are there. 1004 is there? That is invalid. That is invalid. But that is there or not, we have to check in database. But is it required to check ABC is there or not? No. Format is wrong first. The checking later. First format wrong. Okay. Format is wrong. Suppose here, what you will do? This client system in Hyderabad. Server may be in US. Client is in Hyderabad. Server is in US. You will type ABC. You will click submit button. What will happen? ABC hall ticket number passed to US. US system will receive. What US system will do? Communicates with database. ABC hall ticket number is there or not? ABC hall ticket number is not there. At last one message comes. Invalid hall ticket number. First format is wrong. This client to server, Hyderabad to US, network traffic wasted. Server to database communication wasted. And performance wasted, time wasted, everything, process wasted, thread wasted, everything wasted. At last, invalid hall ticket number. You know very well that hall ticket number not there. But again, you are sending to Hyderabad to US. How to stop? JavaScript. Format you can check. Format is right, send. Format is wrong, here only validate. That is the reason we required JavaScript. Okay. See, like that, if you want to create a layout, then HTML. If you want to design more attractive, CSS. If you want to validate that form, JavaScript. Format is right, send. Format is wrong, don't send. Here only error message. See, you observe. Somewhere it will ask mail ID. abc@gmail.com, xyz@gmail.com. Like that you are typing. Suppose you are typing only ABC. Is it valid mail ID? First, @ symbol should be there, dot symbol should be there, no? If it is not there, sending also waste, no? Immediately one error message comes. Before sending only error message comes. How it comes? JavaScript. That is the purpose of JavaScript. You can validate your form. Mail ID, proper format is there or not. Password, minimum 8 letters. Password, it should contain at least 1 digit, at least 1 special symbol. This type validations are there, no? In a real time. Password, while typing password, it will ask, compulsory use 1 digit, compulsory use 1 special symbol. It will ask, no? That is checking. Where it is checking? In client only checking. It not sending to server. Client to server network traffic wasted. That is you can solve here only. It is better, no? That is the reason JavaScript. Okay. Here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This program purpose required. When you click hall ticket number received by server, that program is server side program. That is back end. This is front end. This is front end. This is back end. That program will receive your hall ticket number. After receiving, communicating with database. Because HTML program cannot communicate with database. CSS program cannot communicate with database. Compulsory we record Java or .NET or Python or JavaScript also okay. JavaScript can do. JavaScript client side, server side, 2 types are there. Now, here, this JavaScript, 2 parts. Client side JavaScript, server side JavaScript. This type of program JavaScript is different. This type of program JavaScript is different. But here many courses are there, no? You are learning full stack Java. Then server side JavaScript not required to you. You are learning full stack .NET. Server side JavaScript is not required to you. You are learning full stack Python. Server side JavaScript not required. You are learning this course. Then JavaScript required. Server side JavaScript. You are, instead of this one only, you are learning Java. Instead of this JavaScript only, you are learning .NET. Instead of JavaScript only, you are learning Python. Then those who are learning full stack Java, they will use Java backend. Those who are learning full stack .NET, they'll use .NET at backend. Those who are learning Python, they'll use Python backend web development. But those who are learning full stack web development course separate this mean stack, MERN stack. Mean stack, MERN stack, nothing but M nothing but MongoDB. E nothing but Express.js. A nothing but Angular. N nothing but Node.js. That is JavaScript only. That is server side JavaScript. Here R React.js. So just here Angular, here React. Those are complete JavaScript. These people should learn JavaScript very depth. But these people should not learn JavaScript very depth. No use. Instead of JavaScript only, you are learning Java. Instead of JavaScript only, .NET. As compared to JavaScript, Java, .NET, Python, better. Server side. But with the JavaScript also possible. These people only will learn. Okay. But this is not a full stack course. This is not a full stack course. These people, they won't learn remaining course, remaining also. Only client side. It is user interface. It is user experience. User interaction. More interactive you can design. UX designing. Separate tools are there. That is one course. User experience also one course. Now, here, Here, majority students, these three will be there. Majority students in this batch. Java, .NET, Python. These people, no need to learn server-side JavaScript. No need to learn server-side JavaScript. Okay. Here, only this category people, they have to learn JavaScript. This is also on courses, in that class, you will learn JavaScript server-side. But this is client-side JavaScript only you are learning in this course. In this course, client-side JavaScript. See, here you observe. Now, like this, if you want to design, what we require? HTML. This is if you want to design more attractive, CSS. That hall ticket number, if you want to validate, JavaScript. That is your learning. Later, hall ticket number received by this program. Java people, they'll write Java. .NET people, they'll write .NET. Python people, they'll write Python. Now, this is in which class you learn? Java people in advanced Java class you learn. .NET people, ASP.NET. In that class you learn. Python people, Django. In that class you learn. And full stack web development course, those who joined, in that course, JavaScript you learn. That is Node.js. Node.js, Express.js. That is. So, here, Java, this is common to all people. Java people, .NET, Python, full stack web development, and UI, web technologies, UX, UI design. All people, this is same. This is different. This is Java people, they'll use Java, .NET people will use ASP, that advanced Java class, .NET, ASP.NET class, Django class, you will learn. And full stack web development, mean stack, MERN stack, those people will learn Node.js, Express.js. That is separate frameworks at the time. Okay. Now, communicates with database. Communicates with database. Every project database compulsory. Communicating with database, nothing but Oracle or MongoDB or SQL Server. Or Java people, they learn Oracle. .NET people, they learn MS SQL Server. Python people, they learn MySQL. And full stack web development people, MongoDB. Like that, different databases. But at last, same. Concept same. Later, you'll get the result, no? After getting result also you have to design. Then how to use? Again, HTML, CSS, you can combine. So, in this page also, HTML required. In this page also, HTML required. You'll get the data, but data you have to output, you have to display. Hall ticket number, name, C marks, C++ marks, Java marks, you have to display output. But output also you can design. That output designing purpose, again, what we use? HTML, CSS. So, in this program, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In this program, HTML, CSS. If any interaction, if you want to add, JavaScript. That means that program also, this program also, all required. Okay. Now, but what you are not learning in this course, communicating with database, you are not learning in this class. In this class, you are not learning. That is Java class, advanced Java. .NET people, ASP.NET. Python, Django. Full stack development, in that course, there you will learn. MongoDB. There you will learn. Got it, my point? So, here, different courses are there. Different people you are attending. But all people, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is same. No change. Even you are Java student or .NET student or Python student, for a full stack web development student, all people, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is same. No change. Clear? Now, here, both front-end, back-end web development. Here, front-end development, front-end web development. Front-end means client-side web development. Back-end means server side web development. Today, no need to write notes. Tomorrow I'll give. Tomorrow onwards you can write. Here, full stack web development includes both front end and back end web development. Front end means client side web development. Back end means server side web development. So server side, client side. But again, I have to teach what is client, what is server, what is web. Web also, what is web also I have to teach. That's what tomorrow I'll give notes. Okay. So front end, back end, both. Front end web development, back end web development. Front end nothing but client side, back end nothing but server side. So here, this program runs in browser. This program runs in server. That is, tomorrow I'll give a 100% clarity. Okay. Today, just what I explained. Tomorrow I'll start subject. Okay. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, very easy as compared to other courses. But if you are irregular, if you don't listen, that is also becomes complicated. That's it. Okay. If you are irregular, if you are not following means becomes difficult. Okay. As compared to all other courses, easiest course. Very easy. Very quickly can learn. Tomorrow onwards, those who didn't bring the notebook also bring the notebook. Tomorrow also notes I'll give. I'll start subject. Okay. Today just to overview I given what exactly HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Be regular. Online student, just wait. Online student, wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. One minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Rushikesh, Bootstrap separate batch will be there. Separate batch will be there. Bootstrap, React.js, AngularJS, Angular, separate batch will be there. Chandraban, my name is Venkatesh Mansani. I have a 20 years experience. Course duration, it will take 50 days to 2 months, 50 to 60 days. Baji Patan. Thank you. Thank you. Rishikesh, Yamini, Bootstrap, it is separate batch will be there. Bootstrap, React.js, Angular, separate batch will be there. Tejaswini, roadmap of this course, first HTML, next CSS, next JavaScript. Pratyush, this video you'll get it tomorrow. Online students, 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Ruhabi, starting, that is, you contact admin, they'll provide. I'll give admin details tomorrow. Rakshita, not only form validation, JavaScript like a programming language. That is just one example I given. Shajar Khan, Bootstrap, Angular, and React.js, we created separate batch. Triveni, yeah, jQuery, Ajax, JSON, so many are there. Separate course we designed here. Muhammad Sheikh, yeah, SQL also learn compulsory. Ganesh, notes, running notes you can write. I'll share PDF files in Google Classroom also. Nilesh, in this course, you are not learning database connection. That is later you'll learn in other batch, Advanced Java, .NET, Python. Rakshita, I'll explain. Complete details I'll provide. Everything very depth I'll explain. Don't worry. Raja, Muhammad Raja, Saklin Raja. No need to pay full stack Java students fee. Fee no need to pay. Those who joined for full stack Java, full stack .NET, those no need to pay. Nikhil, running notes you can write and PDF files I'll share. Pooja, this class time 7:30 to 9. Rakshita, I'll explain. Don't worry, everything I'll explain. Responsive, more interaction possible, no? That is, you're taking an example. That is only. Duration of this course, 50 to 60 days. Those who joined for full stack Java, full stack .NET, those people no need to pay the money. Shravya, React.js, Angular, Bootstrap, these are separate courses there. Ankita, this is 2000 they are charging. And some more people also asked price. But those who joined for full stack Java, full stack .NET, full stack Python, no need to pay fee. Ganesh, tomorrow same link. Simran, yeah, notes I'll provide daily. Suman, client side JavaScript, full fledged you will learn. See, JavaScript is not a small thing. Frameworks are there, many frameworks, Express.js, Node.js, that type of jQuery, JSON, Ajax, Boot, these all separate batch also is there. But this is only client-side JavaScript. Those who are learning full stack Java, full stack .NET, for them remaining not required. Those who are not learning Java, .NET, Python, for them server-side JavaScript also required. Shravya, this class time 7:30 to 9. Sanjin, no need to pay the fee, full stack Python. Tejaswini, class time same 7:30 to 9. Shailaja, yeah, I'll teach. Dhananjaya, present I'm teaching in Nareshai Technologies only. Triveni, jQuery, JSON, these all you are not going to learn. Client side JavaScript, whatever required, that is only you are going to learn. Sujay, yeah, this class I'll start at 7:40. No need to worry. Srinivas, full stack means front end, back end, both will be there. Asma Afrin, thank you very much. Sheikh Akhtar, no prerequisite, no prerequisite to learn this course. Shrasti, yeah, I'll explain. 1 minute. Uh, Shant, Shantanu Dikshit. Yeah, I'll give running notes also. I'll give Google Classroom link, PDF files also I'll share. Sujay, today only started. No prerequisite for this course. Sharif, no need to learn server-side JavaScript if you are Java student. No need to learn. Because instead of server-side JavaScript only, you are learning Java. Divya, yeah, they mentioned 45 days, maximum 60 days, maximum. That exact course fee 2000. Those who joined for full stack Java, no need to pay. Shravya, JavaScript, very depth, you will learn client side JavaScript. Krishna Jadhav, timing is not suitable, wait for next batch. No prerequisite to this course. Shastri, I'll explain. Google Classroom, you need to wait. Sumesh. Thank you. Aisha. Monday to Saturday. Sujay. 7:40 I'll start. Exact 7:40 I'll start. Baji Patan. Yeah. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end. Manisha. Recorded sessions means they'll charge separate fee, I think. Just I'll give admin number, you can contact them. Meghana. PDF files I'll share in Google Classroom. You can open, you can see. I'll show you. Bootstrap and React.js, Angular, separate batches are there. That is also you have to attend after JavaScript. Srinivas, thank you. Nilesh, Advanced Java batch started 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Nilesh, 5:30 p.m. Recently Advanced Java batch started. Just 10 days back. My Advanced Java batch only. Shirisha, 4-5 days they may provide. Like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this type I'll teach. This type I'll teach. I given one sample, no? Yeah, tomorrow I'll give admin number, you can contact them if any non-technical doubts are there. React.js is framework. Full stack Python. Students no need to pay. Sangeeta, what is your doubt? I didn't see. Mean or Maya. Mean nothing but MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, Node.js. MERN nothing but React. Srikar, I'll give admin number. Padmanabharaju. Yeah, I'll give admin number. Nilesh. Okay. Sahil Ansari. After JavaScript, you have to learn React.js. After JavaScript, Bootstrap, React.js. Verma. Yeah, parallel you can learn. Sangeeta. Notes, you need to wait. I'll give PDF files in Google Classroom. Kushal. Kushi. Recorded videos, that is complete details I'll provide. You can contact admin. See, Node.js and Express.js, no need to learn. Those also JavaScript frameworks. If you are Java student, .NET student, Python student, no need to learn. Node.js, Express.js not required to your career. That is you should know. Client-side JavaScript enough. If you are a Java student, if you are a .NET student, if you are a Python student. We'll see continuation tomorrow.